My name is Kaivan Doshi. We are a member of Pacifica World. We are staying at Jaipur, Jaibagh Palace Hotel. This is a beautiful royal suite. A room where we stayed for 3 nights. It is a beautiful hotel, bit far from Jaipur, about 35 kilometers, but the location is very good. The hotel is very good. You can see it's a beautiful boutique type of property. You can feel a royalness of Jaipur staying here. We thank you, Neeraj, for arranging this booking.